We've come to the Celtic Manor here in Newport today not to play golf, but to find out about an all-new motorsport event taking place here on June the 16th. I've been lucky enough just to go for a run in this fabulous Ford Escort and find out a lot more about the event. This is Overdrive. Tim, Motorsport at the Manor, what's it all about?
It's simply a classic and competition car event. Displays of classic race and rally cars and supercars. Static displays next to a concours d'elegance, alongside a demonstration road for supercars and rally cars. All taking place on June the 16th, Father's Day.
We've seen some great cars here today, but what sort of cars can we expect to see at the event itself?
Well, a good mixture of cars, 25 to 30 rally cars running from the late 50s through to the current day, a nice mix of different periods. Racing cars, likewise, long period of different racing cars, about the same sort of number. We will have classic cars, Aston Martins, Porsches, Jaguars, all sorts of things from the last few years. And the concours will be absolutely amazing, with world-class cars sourced from all over the globe to come here. And finally, a really, really amazing mix of supercars, including the unveiling for the first time of 2 new cars.
And do you need to be a complete petrol head to enjoy the day?
Certainly not. It will be a fantastic event with all sorts of things going on. There'll be a lifestyle event as well as motor cars. So be a really great day out for the whole family.
If people want to find out more about the event, to book for it, how can they do that?
On the Celtic Manor website, tickets are available now, currently at an early bird price, and then at £18 each in the near future.
What better way to find out more about a motoring event than to speak to a rugby player? So Scott Cornell, motoring at the Manor, excited?
Yeah, it's going to be absolutely wonderful to add to all the list of events that they put on at the Celtic Manor here. Obviously, I normally come down and have a game of golf, so it'd be quite nice. There's polo on the Saturday, and on the Sunday there'll be motoring at the Manor, so it'll be changing horsepowers. And when you have a look at some of these cars, it would take me 10 minutes just to get out of the Mini Clubman over there just now. So I'm going to have a go at the Bentley after this. I just see the different array of quality cars here, and it's just a flavour of what's going to happen on the 16th of June.
Okay, right, various iconic rally cars. You have things like Mark I Escorts and of course the Mini, and in this case a Mini Clubman. So John, of all cars in all the world, why a Mini Clubman?
It's there's quite a few Minis about, not many Mini Clubman rally cars, and this one's been rallied since the 1970s in various different disguises and built up as a replica of the last works car ever built by British Leyland.
Yeah, because that's right. It was a case of Mini Coopers from the 60s then started struggling with power and that, and therefore it was almost a swain song, as it were.
That's right, and this one, the original one, was built for the London to Mexico rally, and the intention was for it to be leading in Europe. But they had head trouble because of the poor fuel, and it burnt the pistons out before they got there. And then it was recovered, and then Paddy Odpert used it to come second in the Scottish rally in 1970.
And obviously you're looking forward to this event here in June. What do you think of the venue?
Oh, the venue is absolutely stunning, isn't it? And then the actual event sounds like it's going to be something you mustn't miss. And I got this car and possibly another one to bring down at the same time.
Excellent. Okay then. So any particular thing you're looking forward to in June?
Just the concours d'elegance, I think. I think that'll be something different for us over here. We don't seem to see those events very often, and it'd be just nice to see the standard, how some people keep their cars clean. And unlike us, they won't be scratching them underneath.
John, thank you very much, and look forward to seeing you in June.
Okay, thank you.